Automation began with simple macros, allowing users to automate repetitive tasks in applications like spreadsheets. These macros acted as pre-programmed shortcuts, streamlining processes such as document formatting and data cleaning. As technology advanced, automation evolved from macros to more sophisticated tools such as scripting languages and robotic process automation. These new tools allowed users to create complex workflows that could interact with multiple software systems, enhancing productivity and accuracy. In today's world, automation is not just limited to office tasks. It has expanded into various industries, including manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. Additionally, artificial intelligence has entered the automation landscape, enabling machines to learn from data and improve their processes over time. This has transformed the way businesses operate, allowing them to make data-driven decisions while minimizing human intervention. In the early days of personal computing, macros introduced users to automation and had a profound impact on productivity. They served as a bridge between simple commands and complex operations by allowing users to record sequences of actions they often performed within software applications. These recorded sequences of actions automated repetitive tasks within applications like spreadsheets or word processors. As users became more accustomed to using macros, the potential for customization grew. This newfound capability empowered many to take control of their work processes, enabling them to focus on more creative and critical thinking tasks instead of mundane operations. Today, macros remain a valuable feature in many productivity software suites, constantly evolving to meet the demands of users. As we move forward, the potential for automation through various forms of coding and scripting only amplifies, promising even greater efficiency and innovation in the future. As automation needs evolved, macros became insufficient due to their lack of conditional logic and cross-application interaction. This led to scripting languages like Python and Visual Basic for applications, which offered enhanced flexibility for complex automation tasks. These languages allowed users to create more sophisticated scripts that were capable of performing intricate operations across different software applications. The rise of application programming interfaces, or APIs, further revolutionized automation. APIs enabled seamless data exchange and integration between various systems, allowing for a more cohesive and efficient workflow. In the current landscape, automation has become an essential component of many businesses. This shift towards more complex automation solutions has encouraged the development of tools that can assist non-programmers in leveraging these scripting languages. Orchestrating complex workflows became essential with advanced scripts and APIs. Tools like Apache Airflow, Luigi, and Prefect emerged to efficiently schedule, monitor, and manage dependencies in automation sequences. These orchestration tools offer a robust framework for building intricate data pipelines, ensuring reliability and scalability in multi-step processes. With these tools, users can define workflows as code, making it easier to reproduce and modify pipelines. This ability to codify workflows also simplifies the collaboration among team members, as they can track changes and collaborate more effectively. Moreover, orchestration platforms provide features for handling errors and retries, which enhances the overall reliability of data processing tasks. An intuitive user interface also helps users visualize complex workflows, making it easier to identify bottlenecks or issues within the process. As organizations increasingly rely on data-driven decision-making, mastering these orchestration tools will be crucial. Machine learning pipelines revolutionize automation by streamlining the entire machine learning model lifecycle. They handle data ingestion, feature engineering, model training, and evaluation. This means that every step of the process is systematically organized to improve efficiency and accuracy. Data ingestion focuses on collecting and preparing data from various sources, while feature engineering identifies the most relevant attributes to enhance model performance. Model training is where the magic happens, as algorithms learn patterns and insights from the prepared data. After the model is trained, evaluation ensures that it performs well on unseen data, hence validating its effectiveness. Post-deployment, these pipelines ensure continuous monitoring and improvement through feedback loops. They constantly check the model's performance in real-time environments. As a result, machine learning pipelines enable businesses to make informed decisions quickly while optimizing resource use.